Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the part 3 tutorial of car sales system. So here we have already done the layout part. We have done already we have done the layout part. Now let's continue the tutorial. So here I'm going to go to make the index page. So index page, register, all the things we have to make it, right? So first what you are going to do is here, we have to do the design, right? So index page first you have to go to my Laravel. So this is my website. So you can go to the tutorsfunny.com. Here the Laravel. So Laravel. Here you can have it the Laravel 11 CRUD application, right? So I'm going to do the Laravel basic CRUD application. If you want to use the industrial pattern, this is the industrial pattern. While you work with the company, you have to work with this RESTful API MVC pattern. This is the best way to do the project. Okay. So here you can have these two things. Right. I'm going to do the things as well. Okay. The index plane.page. So here I'm going to first extend. I'll try this one. First I'm going to go to, you have type this one index page, you have to extend, you have to the extend layouts, which is a layout, which is a layout folder, layout file. So layout dot layout, layout dot layout, right? Okay, after that you just copy this, paste it below. This one should be the section, you try this one should be the content. Okay, content. After that, we are going to do is here we have to done the end section. Dot end section. Okay, this is the thing we have to write it over here. Okay, now here we have a CSS part as well. This is CSS part, that push CSS this style. Just copy it, paste it over here. Okay, so here this one also we have just copy it, paste it here. Just copy this one, all the things are cut off, paste it below. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here, this CSS style I am going to give the different CSS styles. We have to give the different CSS styles, right? Okay. Now here what I'm going to do is here, this is the simple steps. Okay, first you have to tell them the layout. It's the layout. The layout is inside the layout folder. There is a layout. After section, section content. So these are the contents. So if you change the pages, these are the contents. All the pages contents. Okay, the pages contents, right? Okay. So here, what I'm going to say, heal content, it will be heal the all the content. So here, first what I'm going to do is here inside here the content. I'm going to go to get this one, the registration form. So I'm going to go to the PHP. So here I'm going to give the attractive look, this one. We can get this look nice registration page. Okay, the look nice registration page, we have to have it, this one. So here we have to get this one. The styles you have to put into the CSS, put into the styles, all the styles you have to put into, call it over here, this push method. Okay, so the styles we have to put into the CSS. Sorry, we haven't get this one, styles. Okay, CSS. After that, what we are going to do is we have to get this bootstrap. We have to attach it later on. So this one body, this all things we just copied, paste it inside the section. That's it. That's a simple registration. Control S to save all. This is simple stuff you have to do it. Okay, so simple stuff you have to do it. It's a registration page. Okay, so the registration page, after that what you're going to do is a registration page. After that we need a table. So table, we have to get the simple bootstrap tables. We have to get the bootstrap table. We have to get it this one. Okay, so here after the form you have to get the table. So here we can first you have to do the thing is get the simple form design. Now we have it the small form design. Okay, so now we have to do the routes part. Okay, routes. So you have to go to the routes web.php. Here you have to implement the routes. Okay, you have to implement the routes for everything. Now you have made the design successfully. Now this design will be checked whether it's working fine or not. So we have to go to the routes folder, web.php. Here I'm going to import this routes. Okay, so we have to do these things. You have to change it. Okay, so here you have to write this one, route post method. This one should be our brand. So brand, store brand. I'm going to give the name as store brand. Store brand. Okay, so here if you are write the store brand, the post method, it goes to the, you have to add the brand control. So you have to right click, rename it. It's a brand controller. So first one is the brand controller. You have to write copy and paste it over here, brand, and get okay. So first we have to look at these two things. All brands, store brands. This is store brands. Store brand. Okay, so we have a two methods we have created controller. Okay, so this brand controller. So you have to go over here. First we have to do the thing is brand controller. We have to so here this is for CRUD application. Everything is there. Okay, brand controller. We have to implement the things. Okay, so first you have to call the model. So the model, this call use this thing you have to implement it over here. Use you have what is the model, brand model. Inside the app folder there's a models folder. Here brand, we name it a brand. Okay, so after that we have to make the constructor. For this constructor, you just copy this, paste inside here this class. This one should be the brand. Yeah, this one should be the brand constructor, the brand. The brand constructor. Okay, right? Okay, after that we have a store method and index method. Thus these two things I just copied. These two methods. Okay, so here we have right here the store method and index method. The store method and index method. The store method, the index method, what we are going to do is I'm going to get all the data from the brand table. Okay, you have to get all the data from the brand table. So at the time we don't have any data. Let's test that whether it's working fine or not. So let's do the thing is this all things we have to get. We have to comment it. We only the response return view. Call it. We have the views. Inside the view folder, we have to write brand. Write brand. Dot index. Here's the file you will be able to view. Okay, brand dot index. We have to view. Okay. Okay, when the URL is coming here, it goes to the brand controller. You have to index section method, you will be able to find this file, index.bed.p file. This file we will be able to view. So let's file our test them. PHP artisan save. PHP artisan save command to test that whether it's working fine or not. We'll be checking. Here copy this command, this one copy this URL, copy back over here, paste on it. After that you have to go to the web API. So you have type this one, all brands slash all brands, press enter key. It should return the that particular UI design. So here for this, you can see here successfully the registration form is successfully. You have to you can see the registration form successfully. Okay, you can see the registration form successfully. Now here this registration form, I'm going to make it the thing is, you have to write here this one as a not the email address. You have to get a brand name. That thing have need only the brand name only. We have what other things brand as brand name only. So the brand name. So other things we no need them. We have to get rid of this. After that we have a brand registration and this. Okay, so we have a brand brand. The brand. So let's save all, back to application and refresh them. Here it's working fine. So this is not an email field, this is the text. Okay, so text. So brand name. Brand name. Brand name. Okay, so brand name. So this here you write this one placeholder here the brand name. Control S to save. You can see the this one. So brand name. Okay, perfect. You have done the brand stuff. Okay, so here this is all the. It is a nice form look here. You can have a nice background look. Everything's are there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next lecturing. Thank you for watching.